What is the number one commodity to own in 2026? There isn't one universally agreed upon number one commodity to own in 2026. This is because the answer depends on why you want to own it. Is it for investment hedge, industrial demand, store of value, or trade volume? Based on the current market forecasts and global demand trends for 2026, here are the top commodity. Crude oil, most traded commodity. It remains the most heavily traded physical commodity globally, with daily volumes exceeding 100 million barrels and a dominant influence on many markets. Energy markets remain central to economic activity, even with slower demand growth in some regions. Gold, top of store value and hedge. Gold continues as a safe haven asset with strong central bank demand and appeal during geopolitical or economic uncertainty. Forecasts generally see gold prices rising. It is best for risk hedging and wealth preservation. Copper, most strategic industrial commodity. Its demand is being driven by electrification, data centers, renewable energy and energy infrastructure. Many analysts forecast a potential structural tightness due to rising demand and slow supply expansion. It is best for exposure to long-term industrial growth. Lithium, battery metals for future tech. Its demand is booming with battery storage and shortages are projected to re-emerge after prior oversupply.